let's see how to wire these headlight electric motors. You've got the black wire that goes to the ground. Then the red wire is for the power. You should connect it to the alternator positive. And then there is a blue wire, which is the switch that turns off or on your headlights. You should get this blue cable around the motor and just put it through the grommet hole that goes through the firewall. And let's see how this looks like inside the car. I've already removed the carpet, so you can see the dimmer switch on the left. Dimmer switch has got 3 wires. The green and tan color goes to the low and high beam, and the blue wire is the constant power you're looking for. Just remove the connector, put your blue wire to the dimmer switch blue wire, put the connector back, and that's it. Now the headlight door will stay open when you switch from the low beam to high beam.